Ulanzi Go Quick 2 Quick Release System for GoPro Hero, the 11th of December, 10:09 7/6 Insta. Ulanzi Go Quick 2 Quick Release System for GoPro Hero, the 11th of December, 10:09 7/6 Insta. 360x2x3 tripod. Base mount adapter accessories. The Ulanzi Go Quick 2 Quick Release System is a versatile and affordable way to attach your GoPro camera to a tripod, gimbal, or other accessory. The system consists of a quick release plate that attaches to the bottom of your camera, and a matching quick release clamp that attaches to your tripod or other accessory. The plate and clamp are both made of aluminum alloy, and they feature a durable anodized finish. The quick release plate is very easy to use. Simply slide it onto the bottom of your camera, and then tighten the locking screw. The plate is also compatible with a variety of GoPro accessories, including the GoPro Shorty, the GoPro El Grande, and the GoPro Max Grip. The quick release clamp is also very easy to use. Simply slide it onto your tripod or other accessory, and then tighten the locking screw. The clamp is compatible with a variety of tripods and accessories, including the Manfrotto MT055 XPRO3, the Joby Gorilla Pod 3K, and the Fiutech G6 Plus. The Ulanzi Go Quick 2 Quick Release System is a great way to quickly and easily attach your GoPro camera to a variety of accessories. It's affordable, durable, and easy to use. I highly recommend it. Here are some of the benefits of using the Ulanzi Go Quick 2 Quick Release System. It's quick and easy to use. Simply slide the quick release plate onto the bottom of your camera, and then tighten the locking screw. The same goes for the quick release clamp. It's compatible with a variety of GoPro cameras and accessories. The quick release plate is compatible with all GoPro cameras from the Hero 12 to the Hero 5. And the quick release clamp is compatible with a variety of tripods and other accessories. It's durable and reliable. The quick release plate and clamp are both made of aluminum alloy, and they feature a durable anodized finish. Here are some of the drawbacks of using the Ulanzi Go Quick 2 Quick Release System. It's not the most affordable quick release system on the market. However, it's still a very affordable option, especially considering its versatility and durability. It's not compatible with all GoPro accessories. The quick release plate is only compatible with a limited number of GoPro accessories.